Now let's perform the first two iterations of gradient descent on our example. And in this case, we choose a learning rate eta of 0.1. So basically this means this value is 0.1. The theta values come directly from our initial choice of the theta values. And of course, the gradients are this part of this expression. And using all these values, we get a set of new weights. And if we would calculate the loss for these new weights, we would get a value of 0.12, which of course, as expected, is lower than our initial loss that we saw of 0.36. So this is essentially the first iteration of gradient descent. But naturally, we would continue by now using these new weights as the old weights, which we show here. So now these are these updated weights after the first iteration. So this is after the first iteration. But apart from that, we perform exactly the same calculation, of course. Since we have new gradients, this is still 0.1. Now we use the updated weights and this new gradients. In this case, again, we would get a new set of theta values. And if we would calculate a loss function here, of course, we would see a decreased loss, in this case to 0.075. So this means we just completed the second iteration of gradient descent, and in principle we could go on, and in each step we would lower the loss.